ahead and make a u sub. Previously mentioned in math class, what are you going to let u be? 1 minus e to the x. What's next? We need to find our du. So our du, we take the derivative of that. What's the derivative of 1 minus e to the x? Minus e to the x. And the important part is that dx. Now, what I want to do is I want to do a little sleight of hand, man. I'm going to take that dx and I'm going to put it in the numerator of my integrand, man. Why? So that we can make these direct substitutions. We see we have e to the x dx right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the minus on the other side. That's minus du is e to the x dx. And we are going to make a direct substitution. Right on in here. Boom. When I see e to the x dx, I can put a minus du, and then that's divided by, oh, what did we say that 1 minus e to the x was? Oh, that's u. Aww. So that's u squared. What we've done is we've just put this integral into a nice form. All right, this in a different way. I'm going to say that that's the minus, because I can pass the constants out of the integrand, the integral of u to the minus 2 du. Ooh. So now what do? It's the general power rule. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, that is u to the minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by a minus 1. Fun. And then do I put the plus c? Yeah, why not? Plus c. Now we're almost done. What do? We found the integral in terms of u. But we don't want the integral in terms of u. We want the integral in terms of x. So what's next? We back sub. Back it up. Stop. Wait. Minus and minus make mas. And then u to the minus 1 is the same as 1 over u. But what was u?
1 minus
Plus c. Oh, and you can always check your integration with, flower. Let's do another one. You can always check your integration with differentiation. Boom. Oh no. Oh good. Getting tricky with it. Na. What I have is I have secant squared tangent to the third d theta. When we're trying to make our u sub, we're trying to find a function and its derivative in the same integrand, man. Oh, what are you going to let u be? Tangent. Why? What's the derivative of tangent? Oh, boy! That's what happens when we find our du. Oh, our derivative of tangent is secant squared theta d theta. Yeah. So, if I was going to go up here and rearrange that, just so that we could see clearly at our u sub that we're making, this is going to be, boom, boom, the integral of tangent to the third, let's make it a little curly, yeah, tangent to the, oh, look at that. What did I do? I rewrote the tangent because trig is notoriously lazy. What that means, tangent to the third, is really tangent to the third, and then I have the secant squared theta, d theta. Now I can directly make my substitutions. I'm going to put my du, ooh, right there, yeah. So that's du, and then I'm going to make my sub on tangent. Since the tangent was u, I can write u to the third. And again, I have that general power rule. I add one and I divide by it, so that's u to the fourth over 4 plus c. And then we make our back sub, see? One last step. What was u? That's the tangent of theta. And I'll go back lazy notation over 4 plus c. Box and flower. I've always liked being in the back of the class. Who are we going to draw on? Who are we going to draw on? I don't know. Maybe I'll just draw me. Box and flower.